Splash 2020 was to be held in Chicago, but it's now going virtual, and in what we think is a world first, we'll be using 12-hour mirroring for the schedule. We started by looking at the schedule for 2019 in Athens. In one of the main conference days, you can see we went from 9 AM to 10:30 PM. If we'd simply adopted the schedule from 2019, that would have meant that most people in other countries, including countries like Greece or Australia, would see a lot of the schedule in the middle of the night and would miss out. So the question was, what to do? We saw 4 options. The first was to ignore the issue completely. The second was to do it this way this year, but to make a promise that we'd share the load in different time zones in future years. The third option was to split the schedule across 24 hours, thereby making the program equally accessible to everyone. A fourth option was to take the 12-hour program and then mirror it through 24 hours with a mirrored schedule. A talk that's available at 3 AM is also available at 3 PM, which means the entire program is available to everyone wherever they are in the world at a reasonable time. We took the 13.5-hour schedule from Athens and shrunk it to 12 hours and broke it into uniform 2-hour blocks, each punctuated by technical talks and social time. Projecting such a program across different time zones means that everyone gets access to the entire program and everyone has lunch, dinner, and breakfast breaks at sensible times. So the question then is, what does this mean for someone giving a talk? Well, the first point to make is that you've now got a broader audience because you're reaching the entire globe. The second point is that in any given time zone, there are slots which are 12 hours apart that are quite reasonable for giving a talk. And because people are distributed across the globe, it turns out it's not difficult to cover all talk slots without requiring any speakers to talk at unreasonable times. The OOPSLA program chair surveyed speakers for blackout times and was able to schedule all talks outside the blackout times and schedule 80% of all talks at the optimal time. We're really excited about this initiative and what it means for Splash and its reach around the globe. We hope you enjoy Splash and we hope you enjoy connecting with colleagues from all around the world.